How's it going, folks? Quick one for you today because I am currently at the airport, but a brighter day for sure to be involved in cryptocurrency. Just in my last update, we were talking about the last big dip, and today we have pretty much recovered all of those losses and gained some on top of that. So take a look at this. Of course, I am talking about this 10.35% pump in BTC. Currently looking at the Coinbase spot chart, 92,827. We broke 93K actually earlier today. And as you can see, this means from a technical perspective, we are now in an uptrend from the lows put in back on the 25th of November. Sorry, the 21st of November, that was a Friday. Because of course you can see a high here from the low, yesterday's crash, put in a higher low, and now we have made, just by the skin out of our teeth, a higher high. A couple of different catalysts for this, and of course the driving force, liquidations. Once again, if you take a look at this, $407 million worth of short liquidations. This is the effect that we've been talking about for a long time that has been brewing, where the short positions in the market, when the price comes up, they are forced out of those positions. The exchange buys BTC on the market to cover those shorts, and price goes up, number goes up, because that is a sudden shock on supply, a sudden demand increase. Supply stays relatively the same and prices go up rapidly. Two key catalysts for this, potentially, right? First of all, we've got this piece here. Bank of America says its wealth management clients may put up to 4% of their portfolio in crypto. Obviously, massive endorsement from a massive legacy financial institution in the US. We've also got this piece of news just here. Give me 1 second to bring that up for you. And that is, of course, Vanguard lifting their ban on ETFs. Bitcoin ETF surged as IBIT hit $1 billion in volume after Vanguard lifted its ban, causing BTC to spike 6%. Causing, I'm not sure exactly about that. I think causation was more about the liquidations in the market. But nonetheless, good news, bullish news for the space. Do bear in mind, as always, a lot of people have seen these green candles and they've jumped in long side. So now we do have a risk of downside price action, as if we come down just a little bit, some of those long positions will potentially become liquidated, like we saw yesterday, being forced to sell onto the market and forcing prices down. But in any case, market is looking healthy right now from a structural perspective. Let's see if this pump continues. Do watch your downside. As always, not financial advice, purely my opinion, shared just for entertainment purposes. Thank you so much for watching. Plenty more to go. Catch you in the next one.